What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest altcoins, meme coins, you name it. If it is a gem, has some potential, we're checking it out on the channel. We're back with another RFD video because you guys are showing so much support on these videos. And I gotta say, man, the chart the chart is holding up so well. You guys that are in charts, why can't you be in charts that I be in around the less than $1 million market cap? All of you guys that's in RFD, man, why can't you be in projects that I'm in that haven't seen, that run to 100 mil market cap yet? Either way, you guys are holding up this chart very, very well, man. You guys got that chart consolidating like a stable coin until the next move to the upside, right? The only thing that could really shake this chart up is if some whales get out of the project, but whales, a lot of whales normally, smart whales typically don't sell off their whole bags, they just take their profits. And I think the profit taken for the project already happened in these two instances, right here and right here. So we could see some consolidation and then potentially more moves to the upside for RFD, because you guys are holding the price very stable, right? Now obviously I'm not a TA expert or anything like that, but I see something great, I'm gonna say, yo, that looks great. Broader markets, Bitcoin trading at that 27k, Ethereum still around that just under 1k mark. We have the debt ceiling recently next week, so we'll see what happens with the debt ceiling decision. Could be a super bullish day for crypto. I think it'll be next week, Wednesday. Could be a very bullish day for crypto, man. But yeah, look at this 24-hour trade volume for RFD. Huge exchanges like Binance and Coinbase could potentially see that, trade volume 22 million and be like, oh, we gotta get some RFD, right? KuCoin listed as well. I told you that's super bullish that it's all KuCoin, and the chart speaks for itself, man. It's super strong. It's a very strong chart. Last few days for this price, day more buyers in 1st June. Hong Kong can buy crypto, and this one will skyrocket. What? Do your research and you will find out why. So on the 1st of June, Hong Kong can officially buy crypto. I'm gonna have to look into that from VDK. Nice stuff, man. And let's take a look at the official Twitter. They had some huge announcements recently, man. They have their consistent spaces. We see Slumdoge Millionaire got himself a bag of RFD, $2,000. This is what I'm saying. Even Slumdoge Millionaire, I know he got, I know he got a lot of liquidity, but he got himself $2,000 worth of RFD. If all you could afford is $500 to $1,000, even $100, guys, gains is gains, and then you take those small wins and you move on to future projects. Because one thing that crypto doesn't lack is opportunity. There's always a ton of opportunity, guys. So okay, y'all convinced me. I traded in all my Mong for RFD. Am I gonna make it? We see how RFD is performing compared to a lot of other projects in the space, guys. So this is super bullish from Slumdoge, man. $2,000 worth, around what, 30 million RFD. $1,000 into RFD now, even $700, so you could just round it off to that 10 million. Who knows what could happen, guys? Who knows what could potentially happen? And I wouldn't rule out $10 billion in market cap. I think Pepe and potentially RFD could hit that $10 billion market cap for the bull cycle, right? They also did a crazy burn on the project. RFD's deflationary blur is a genius. Let blur cook. So far, over 5% of the supply has been burned, which is worth over 3 million at the current prices. So right here, due to the characteristics of Uniswap v3 liquidity pools and Blur's NFT v3 liquidity locker, type lock for Blur's custom locker explanation, RFD is actually deflationary. We lock up 1% of every buy in tokens in ETH, taking it out of circulation. The fees collected do not compound back into the pool. However, Uniswap v3 address shows its total supply including fees. So over time, RFDs are also deflationary. This is one thing that I love in crypto. I love deflationary projects because we create that supply squeeze, less demand, more demand, less supply, increase in price. It's that simple. The true circulating supply in the Uniswap v3 address is therefore the total percent fee minus the fee percent. Type /burn to see how much has been taken out of circulation by fees already. So you could go and take a look yourself. Theory: a possible future liquidity unlock to use collective ETH fees for the project in some way, up to speculations. The unclaimed token fees will most likely be truly burned then. So we have this huge percentage of burn for RFD. We also have potential utility that could be unveiled, guys. So like I said, don't miss out. By typing burn in the official community Telegram, the burn stats will show up. Look at this, guys. $3.2 million burn, and this was on the 27th. That was yesterday. So on right now, if we go into the Telegram and type that, I wonder what will happen, guys. Test it out for yourself, guys, so you can see what's taking place with RFD. Again, super bullish stuff for the project, guys. The total amount RFD burnt, 50. What is this? 51 billion RFD out of circulation. What is the total supply? So this is million. So it's 1 trillion supply, right? And 51 billion of that is out of circulation, 5.17%. Imagine it gets to 20%, how much the price will be affected by then. Possible future, the unclaimed token fees will most likely be truly burned then, or have an even more bullish use case. So the future for RFD is looking more and more bright, guys. I need the Twitter, RFD Twitter refund. I need you guys to do a lot more updates, right? In crypto, the best way to build strong communities is through regular spaces. I agree. Agreed. Your Pop Ape and I host spaces twice a day for RFD community. We have one here in about 40 minutes. Tap in, fam. Stacky.eve, put it in that work for RFD. You love to see it. Then follow Slumdog. This is my alternate blockchain daily account where I could spam I could spam a bunch of tweets out. Follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on this one, the other one. Join my Telegram so we could potentially find great gems, guys. Everything is in the description. Our story continues. The viral RFD movement is here to stay, and we see that Stecky's doing consistent Twitter spaces for RFD, similar to what Pepe is doing, and recently had one May 28th. RFD has gone viral. Community Twitter spaces live, huge discoveries, 2.6k people tuned in. I'm telling you guys, the noise that is being made for the project is a lot. Enoch right here, man. Enoch, one of the OGs in the crypto space, along with your Pop, all of them super bullish on RFD. Great to see, man. Absolutely great stuff. And yeah, guys, you gotta watch and see like what are the top influencers are bullish on, because this space, unfortunately, or I don't know if it's a positive or a negative, but they go where everybody else goes. People go where everybody else goes. They follow the money, right? They're super great use case projects right now as we speak. Nobody really is giving them any shine. Maybe when the bull run comes around, they get shine. But right now, everyone is on DeFi, meme coin, or how should I say, high risk projects, and that's where everybody's going. And that's where, the gains are being made right now. So you go where the gains are being made. I don't know. You go where the attention is, right? Crypto is all about the attention span, because you have to get new buyers in some way, somehow. And if this project has a ton of attention, just like Pepe had, we see what happened. Like literally, Pepe was draining all the liquidity out of all the other projects in the space. And all of that money was just flowing into Pepe, right? So that's just how the space is. It goes, it's follow the money, follow the attention, follow the hype, right? And just pick good entries so you don't get wrecked. Pick good entries so you don't get wrecked. Like, don't be buying the top of projects, right? And if you do buy the top, manage your risk, DCA in. Don't just throw everything in at one moment, because, for example, people that bought up here for RFD, you made your first buy up here and you dollar cost average down, you would have been in a much better place right now, and you already would be up a tad bit in profit, right? So pick your entries accordingly. Be smart with what you're doing, and you know, don't overinvest. I'll never tell you guys to overinvest on a project in crypto. If you only got $100 to $500 to invest, which I would think most people have $1,000 to invest, don't overinvest, okay? Because you just never know what could happen, man. I've gotten wrecked many times, and I don't want to see people making the same mistakes that I did, right? So yeah, RFD is looking super bullish. 50. Let me go back and make sure, because I messed up numbers last time around. 51 billion RFD burn, $3.2 million deflationary value. Absolutely bullish stuff. If you hold RFD, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything RFD and myself will be in the description. Also, let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.